Hello friends, welcome back. Many a times we could have faced this occasion where we have connected our laptop or our desktop to a particular Wi-Fi connection and we forgot what the password is. So to retrieve that password which we have already used to connect into the Wi-Fi, we have two simple steps that we can follow. I am going to show you that right now and it's going to be very simple. The first step, please open the command prompt, and once you open it, you will have to type this command where you will be able to list all the available Wi-Fi connections which your system is already connected to. netsh space wlan space show space profiles. That's all. It will show you all the connections that you have already connected to. Now I'm going to choose one of these and I'll find out what the password was. So I'm choosing the Wi-Fi connection boardroom and I type this command netsh wlan show profile name, that is nothing but the boardroom, key equal to clear. That's all. I'll get the complete information about that Wi-Fi connection including the password that we were searching for. Kit at 2750 is the password and that's found out clearly using this simple steps. So two steps. The first step is to list, that is the command. The second step is to get the complete detail about the connection that you have already used, and it also includes the password that you are looking for. I'll give the complete details about these commands in the description. Try out, and in case you have any questions, please type it in the chat. I'll be very happy to answer your questions. Thank you.